Hey everyone, coming at you with another off-road adventure here in fabulous Las Vegas. This trail is called Bird Spring Pass. It can be accessed at the end of Hualapai Way, just south of State Road 160, and runs just shy of 18 miles. This day was a very chilly morning with temperature steady at 32 degrees for the first 2.5 hours of the drive. This trail is pretty rough in spots and we got stuck very early. Thank goodness for four-wheel drive. We were hoping for some wildlife sightings, but we only saw a few white-tailed antelope squirrels, which are kind of adorable. We took a break at about the halfway mark and decided to get the drone up in the air. There weren't too many exciting things out here, but we did spot an interesting patch of red rocks that seemed out of place, so I flew in for a closer look. This spot was very sketchy, as the main trail was washed out and impassable. Thankfully, someone was kind enough to blaze a new trail just to the left. The camera doesn't show how steep this section really is. This was actually my favorite part of the drive. As you can see, we're still in the Red Rock National Conservation Area. This trail gives you about 1,600 feet of elevation gain and reaches the high point of 4,255 feet above sea level. We carried on until we hit the top of the pass and found this spring and collection tanks. We didn't do much filming on the south side of the pass because it was mostly washboard and very rough. Overall, it was a pretty easy trail with a couple of rough spots. Keep in mind, I am a beginner at this off-road thing. It took about 4.5 hours to complete this trail, and that includes about 30 to 40 minutes in breaks overall. The trail ends just south of I-15 at Las Vegas Boulevard and just south of the Seven Magic Mountains Monument. Thanks for riding with us, and we'll see you on the next one.